In this video, I'll show you how to unlock a Bet365 account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so if you lock yourself out of your Bet365 app, there is a few different ways how to unlock it. So the first way is to head over to Google, and then in the Google search box, type in Bet365 support page, and then click search. And then you want to click on contact us from help.bet365.com. And there's going to be a few different ways how to contact Bet365. So you can choose your location, you can do a live chat, email, or you can call customer service. And then, so for this demonstration, if we just want to open a live chat, click on open live chat, and then say, hey, put in your name, email. So put in the name that you use on your Bet365 account and also your email to make it easier for them to identify you. And just say, hey, I am locked out of my Bet365 account. I'd like to unlock it. And then they'll go through the process to unlocking your account. And all these different ways do work. So you can do the live chat, you can call them or send them an email. I hope this video helped.